Hi guys, how you doing? Right, when I was putting the floor in the car a couple of years ago, I forgot to put tangs in. So I was just thinking about it for obviously for the wiring loom, and this replacement heritage floor didn't come with tangs. So I'm going to put some tangs in and get that done before I get the floor stone chipped and what have you. So I've marked out where I'm going to put them. I'm going to put a tang here, one there, one there, one there and one there. I'm not sure how many are actually in it because boot floor on Annie, the Mini 30, that's had a repair panel in it. So they've just made up a couple of tangs, but I'll just stick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tangs in there along the back, and that'll be enough to hold the wiring loom in. So to do that, I've got some steel here, but that's just too thick, so I had a further little rummage in the garage, and I've managed to find a little offcut. That'll be fine, that's thin enough. So I'll get that cleaned up and make up 5 tangs. We'll get the boot floor ground back with the finger sander, and then we'll just zap them in. So I think what I'll do first is get this cleaned up. I've dug out some of my heat shrink tubing. So what I'm thinking of doing is, once I've made my tangs, I'll probably make the tangs about 10mm wide, maybe 12mm wide. And then once I've made my tangs and the car's all being painted, I can cut the heat shrink in half, so I'll get 2 tangs out of one, and just put the heat shrink over the tang so that it's not metal digging into plastic. I've actually got a tang here that I made when I done the inner wing. So I've got a tang here, I made that up. So the plan is to slide that over, obviously cut it to size, and then just heat shrink it onto the tang. That way it'll protect the wiring loom, hopefully from chaffing. So that's the plan anyway. So let's get this metal cleaned up. We'll get it cut out with the snips, and then get the floor prepared and just tack them in. Right, I think I'll get this metal cleaned up first. I'll just use a bit of sandpaper rather than get the grinding tools out. So just break off a bit. And I'll give that a little clean back. I'm not going to clean back what I'm going to use. I'll be cutting it. That should be enough. Right, 50mm. I'm going to make it. That should be enough, I would say 50mm. I think that edge is pretty square because I've just cut that. That is happy days. Right, 50mm. Right, that's that marked out. I should get 5 out of there. Oh, aye, more than enough. Right, I've got a little bit here that I've cut out. I'll just use that as a wee template. That's not very square there. think I've made it about 12mm. That one's 13mm. Just make sure that still fits in here. Lovely. Right, I'm making 5. So I can really just make 4, because I'll be cutting that. Yep. One. Right, Tangs. There's that other one that I was using. Lost it. Bollocks. Better put it inside the box. No. Tang, where are you? Tang. Found you. Right. I'll get the 5th one out of this. Right, there's my little tangs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lovely. Maybe just, there's no sharp edges on it, but we'll just round them off a little anyway. Should have done this with a file, but can't be arsed going to the other end of the garage. Well, we're going to the other end of the garage anyway to bloody weld them in, but actually what I could do so there's no sharp edges on them, just round them off slightly there. Right, lovely tangs all made. So all I need to do now is get them welded in the car. So let's get the finger sander out and get the floor prepared for my little tangs. Right, that's the finger sander set up, so we'll get in here and get this first mark done. no room. Right, that's that one done. Right, that should be the tangs all ready to get welded in now. I'll need to punch a wee hole in them. Right, I've got my little tangs here and my little punch. So we'll just punch some holes in them. Not very square that yet. Must try better, must try harder. Is that centre there? That one's better. So is that one. Right, that's hold. So now to crack open the welder and we'll get these zapped in. Right, I've got the tang ready. That'll go in there. It's bloody awkward because there's no room. And I can't exactly clamp it down. Right, that's one in. A wee grind back and that'll be fine. Next tab. Oh, Christ almighty, man. I have got absolutely zero room. Take that hat off. That welding hat, because I can't see. I'm trying to get my head in between the bloody jig. Oh, that's going to be a hard one to hold down. Yeah, glove, because I'll end up, or even a pair of mole grips. It's just to hold it. Right, get the mollies onto that, it's just to hold it down. These mole grips are really crap, you know that. Yeah, it's just to hold it like that. I've got bars and everything in the road. Can I get it for this side? Right, I'll hold it about there. Tang. I'm missing a tang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, I'm missing a tang. But I've left one up there. thought I had 5. You know that I can't count. 1, that's 2 welded in. 3, 4. Ah, I'm definitely missing one. We'll worry about that later. Well, not much later actually, but hey ho. Right, move you around. That one's going to go there. So that one on. Right, I've got one more to go. I'm just going to go and see if I've left that other tang on the bench. Right, the tang has been found. Here it's here. Dropped it on the floor. Right, one more to go. One more. Orangutan-a-tang. This one up here. The bloody awkward one, eh? Can I get in via that hole? Yeah, man. Right. Awkward. Oh. Puff. Ting, ting, ting. Right, that's welded in. Not the nicest of welds, like, but I'll put the finger mouse over them and just give them a little clean back. But really should I bother? Yeah, we'll do it anyway. It's one done. Right, that's all the little tangs done. They're all welded in, all secure. So I'm happy with how they've turned out now. They're solid. They're going nowhere. So now I'll have somewhere to tuck the wiring up. Just a little oversight on my part when I was doing the boot floor. But I'm glad I've done it now before painting the car. So yeah. So that's all them in. All I need to do now is give the boot a vacuum, and that'll be that. But that'll be the ideal opportunity to test out my new Henry. Me and Henry became pals last week, and were offering £50 off. So I just snapped it up. So there we go. Give Henry a blast, or a sook, as the case may be. Anyway guys, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching. Angus is another step closer to being complete, so I can't wait for that. And like I say, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.